Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Yeah, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. So today of season, and I did not add any salt as yet because all those seasons are packed with salt, so I am going to add my salt after. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to allow this to be tender. Okay guys, so let's check the beef. You see, so it comes down to this. So I'm going to use a fork now to test it to see if it is tender, so I can add my seasoning. And yes, of course, the beef is tender as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my seasoning to my pot. Add in my onions, thyme, spring onions, my spice, pimento seeds as well. Those are the pimento seeds and my spice pepper, and I'm adding my bay leaf. Now I'm adding my bell peppers. I'm adding the carrots, adding the Irish potatoes, tomatoes, my pimento pepper. That is looking so beautiful, so colorful, and it smells so great. Alright, so I'm going to add my seasoning. So, the seasoning from the beef, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some water here. I'm going to add about a cup of water here and I'm going to pour it in the pot. So here I'm adding the water. And now I'm adding it to my pot. So I'm going to stir it with this. And I'm going to allow the seasoning to cook properly. Okay, so I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to let this cook. Let this season cook for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add my celery. Okay, I did that last because I don't want them to be too soft. I want them to be like crunchy a little bit when I'm eating my stewed beef. And I'm also going to be adding about a tablespoon of ketchup here. That should do it. So I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to let this simmer down a little bit for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, let's see what's going on now. Stewed beef smells so good. Looks good. Flavor is right. Everything is nice right here. Yeah. So I will catch you at the display station. Here you have it guys. Look at this beautiful plate of stewed beef. And stewed beef, you can have stewed beef with rice, plain rice, rice and peas. You can even have it with some pasta, some potato salad, or some mashed potato. It tastes great. You can even have your stewed beef with boiled dumpling, sweet plantain, boiled bananas, whatever you like to have your stewed beef with. It looks great. It tastes lovely, guys. Try out this recipe. It is very simple and easy to follow, easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you indeed enjoy this video. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Touch the post notification bell and turn it to all so you will not miss out on any of my upload. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining Carla's Kitchen. I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thanks again to all my supporters. Thanks for all the support and the love. Take care of yourself, guys. Put God first. Be kind. Take care. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye, guys. Wait. Guys, remember to check out my second channel, Healthy Eats BLS. Like and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.